Hi, I'm the Cyber Sensei.
And I'm Sensei Chris Conover.
Our channel, the Cyber Sensei, is your complete free online martial arts program for children, teens, adults, and families so that you can get your black belt right in the comfort of your own home or anywhere in the entire world where you have access to YouTube. In this video lesson, we'll be doing the bear hug knuckle strike, and it looks like this. Hiya! 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 So make sure you have a partner to work out with, a safe place to train, and you're ready to get started. To do this self-defense technique, there are 5 easy steps, and here they are. Number 1, you're gonna make a fist with your knuckles and turn it into a blade so that your knuckles are into a blade. Number 2, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit your knuckles, the blade, on the back of your opponent's hand, right on the back of their knuckles right here, right below their knuckle line. Now note that if the right hand is on the outside, you're gonna use your right hand to hit with. If the left hand is on the outside, you would use your left hand to hit. But right now his right hand is on the top on the outside, so I'm gonna take my right hand and use the right hand. So number 2, I'm gonna take my blade and hit the knuckles. Ayah! Number 3, I'm gonna elbow strike with the same arm, pow, to the face. Number 4, I'm gonna step away to give a little bit of room. So number 5, I can stomp and kick him. All right, let's do that again. So number 1, I'm gonna make my fist into a knuckle blade. Number 2, I'm gonna hit the back of the knuckles really hard. Number 3, I'm gonna do an elbow strike. Number 4, I'm gonna step away. And number 5, I'm gonna stomp on him. Pow! Let's try that again. Got a little nervous, huh?
A little bit.
Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's Sensei Conover's turn. All right, here we go. So number 1, he's gonna make a knuckle blade. Number 2, he's gonna hit the back of my knuckle. Ow. Number 3, he's gonna elbow strike the face. Number 4, he's gonna step away. And 5, kick. Oh! Well, we're almost done with this lesson, so here's a quick preview of what we'll be doing on the next lesson, which is the standing headlock escape. Well, that brings us to the end of this lesson. Here's what to do next. Number 1, go ahead and watch this video all the way to the end because there's a direct link to the next lesson. Number 2, if you haven't done this yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, as this will give you access to our self-defense video library and our White Belt to Black Belt program library. Number 3, go ahead and click the share button right below us, as I'm sure that you have friends and family that could also benefit from free martial arts and self-defense lessons. And number 4, go ahead and give us a like or make any comments you might have, and we'll see you on the next lesson. I'm the Cyber Sensei.
And I'm Sensei Chris Conover.
One clap.
Cyber Sensei.